Now we will discuss about the text, or we say str, string. For example, I give simple example. Name is equal to, I just store my name, full name, like this. Okay, I have executed that. There are few things we can do in terms of the when it comes to the text. The one thing, text to be written in a single quote, or we can write it in a double quote also, like this. Double quote, not single quote twice, double quote. And I say, okay, like this also we can write. Okay, what is the advantage here? When we writing a single quote, sometimes what will happen, if I say Rajan, like I say something like st equal to, if I open with a single quote and I say Rajendra, like this, when I do na, when I need a apostrophe, like one, like this we need, then it will not work. Okay, that particular reason, double quote when we put, then it will not be a problem. In case in between, if you are taking one single quote to separate, like yes, like this and all, you are doing, then it won't be any problem when you are using a double quote. That's why you can, if you are not having such things in between, if you are using single quote, then you can write it in a single quote. But in case you are giving something like a single quote in between the sentence, then it's better to start with a double quote itself. That's the one thing to be remembered when you have been writing a text. The second thing, in a text format, okay, in case you like to write a multiple line text, you would like to write, like uh, describe is equal to, okay, multi-line, if you like to write, then open single quote two times, like three single quote or three double quote. Means two times when you write a double quote, na, once you have been written a double quote, once again you type a double quote, na, it will become three double quote starting, three double quote ending, or three single quote starting, three single quote ending. Then if you are writing something like he is from Karwar, okay, then I need to write it in the next line, means I can say enter, and I can continue the writing a line. Okay, here if you are doing like this na, like here if I say from Karwar, now staying in Bangalore, done engineering from Bangalore, like this I can write a multi-line. Okay, but when I use single quote or double quote, and if I try to enter, the syntax will be broken. You can see from red color to turn to the black color, that means syntax is already broken. So when you are writing a multi-line, means you are writing in a multiple lines of the codes, then in a syntax, then we have to use a triple quotes. Okay, that's the one thing we need to know. Then some of the operations we have for the text. For example, name I have, I just want to take all of them in a capital letter. So what I can do, I can say name dot upper. Okay, I will just say print that name, but upper, in uppercase, dot upper. Dot is nothing but a inbuilt function. Okay, if I say that integer object is not callable. Okay, name, okay, name is not been taken like that, and we'll see this. Just if I say name dot upper, yes, it will be converted, right? Similarly, name dot lower, if I do, all will be in a small letter. If I say we have for example, I just want to know that what are the things are there. after dot, putting a dot, okay, after calling that the name of the variable, put the dot, then press tab, okay, to know that what are the other functions are available related to the this particular thing. Just press tab, so it find this all this. For example, I would like to count how many characters we have. Just dot count, open the brackets. No need to take a no, count, take at least one argument. For example, I say here what exactly to be given inside the count. I need to check, right? What exactly to be given inside the count. So here we need to understand how to read the error. It says the type error, means somewhere I'm missing a typing. It says that it takes at least one argument, means inside this bracket something I need to be given. Okay, that's the reason I'm committing a mistakes, because you will also need to learn that how to rectify the errors, right? So it says that one argument to be given, means here I need to check what argument to be given to count this one, right? So I say shift tab, okay, go inside that count the bracket, hold shift and tab key. Okay, it shows that what are the things to be given. Okay, it says that return the number of the non-overlapping occurrence of the substring. Okay, start and end. Optional argument start and the ends are the interpreted in a slicing notation. For example, if I say count r, okay, r is not defined. It says I give it in a this one. It says that R character R repeated twice in the syntax. Okay, we can check that how many times such characters are repeated. For example, A, if I say 4 times it is repeated. Okay, A is repeated 4 times. You can count also. It counting how many times that particular thing has been repeated. For example, I would like to know that how many characters we have in together. Then we will be using a len of name. If I say it count and give that how many characters we have including a space. If I increase the space here, you can see execute that once you increased. Then if I check now len of the name, 19 we have. Okay, now if I do that strip, okay, we have a strip option to unwanted this space to be removed. Dot strip if I do, it's not working. Say name equal to name dot strip. Okay, then if I check the len of the name, no, strip doesn't work in between if you have any space, right? So that's the reason I am giving all this hint. If I have a starting some space, okay, now you can see your strip will work, right? Now your strip is will work when you have some space at the starting. It has been removed, it has been removed, strip removed that one. Okay, if I say here, you need to check, means first we need to execute this one. Just we can check now length of the name is a 23. Then I will just say length of the name after strip. If I check, it says that 19, means initially some space we had, or end whatever the space is there, it will be removed. Okay, it will be removed. Okay, and I just want to split this name into two. Okay, this one first separate, second separate. Then what we can do, we can say name dot, once you write s now, then if you tab also, it will give that starting from the s what are the things we have. I say split. Okay, splitted into two. This one is a separate, this is a separate. Okay, so this is a way. For example, now you may be having a question like, I have been splitted. In between space also will gone now. So I need to join them back. Okay, this is a splitted one. I would like to join them back. How to join? I have a join option. Okay, I say join. Okay, and how to be joined? I will say by using one hyphen between them. Now we see it says a typo error because join may not be having this one. No, built-in function method has a name. Okay, what we can do now, join join name dot split. Now you can see. Okay, these are the errors you need to know. Means argument missing means we should not give outside that bracket. It should be within the bracket. Means what I have been done. First I splitted the name. Okay, I splitted the name. Two names we have. Now these two names I would like to join back them. So join function I have been asked. But before that we need to mention that how to join. Okay, that is nothing but I said between them we need to give one hyphen, then dot I say join them these splitted items. Okay, these are the some of the functions we have related to the string. Okay, in case any other functions you would like to know about the string, just what you need to do, just press the tab after taking a dot, press the tab, then you can select. Okay, anything like is a lower means we are checking that one. Is it a digital, is a decimal point a number, or is it a lower case, is it a numeric one, is it a printable or not. Okay, like join we already learned, lower we already done. Okay, replace like anything to be replaced I say replace dot replace, then open the bracket, then what to be done inside that, just use a shift tab to check. Old one first we need to give, then new one we need to give. So old one means I say r, new one I say um, k. Okay, wherever r is there it has to replace by a k. See, r has been replaced by the k, right? So replace option we can do. Okay, by using a replace. Okay, sometimes what will happen, you may be having a amount. Okay, amount, it may be given in this way. Okay, now if you print integer we are not able to print. Okay, print is not callable. Type. Okay, what happened, I have been defined this print as a integer somewhere. There's a reason it happening like that. Just a minute. In previous session what we have done, we have been defined somewhere print as a this one list print as a this one. So we need to interrupt the kernel. If such things happen, printing is not working means we have to restart the kernel, restart. Okay, once it is connected, now you can do, because some of the errors will happen na? We need to do that. Yeah, 240. Now what I can do, I can replace that, right? So I say print. Okay, this amount dot replace. Okay, replace, the old text is nothing but a dollar symbol with the nothing. Okay, just nothing means just a single quote or a double quote. You see, we can convert that into a number, right? So when these type of things will there, okay, whenever you like to know about what are the things are available, just hold a tab after dot. You'll get to know that what are the different things we can do. Okay, whenever the application comes, instead of learning everything now, whenever its application comes now, we will learn in detail about that. Okay, this R means right split, L means left split. Okay, split also right side and left side we can do. Okay, only left side one, right side one, we can split and separate. Okay, and split is for every instant it will be splitted. Similarly, strip also, left side only it will be stripped. L strip means right side only it will be right only. R, L means left side only it will be stripped. Okay, strip means everywhere it will be stripped. Like this we will be having a different type of the functions, inbuilt function. Okay, capitalize means it will capitalize each of the word. Okay, first word will be capitalized, but here we don't have that one. Okay, on name we can do that one. Like if I say name dot capitalize, um, here it has already, we have we need to strip first. Okay, I just joined somewhere, right? That one we will capitalize. Okay, dot capitalize. See, first letter will be capitalized. First letter will be capitalized, because here already we have some space. That's the reason we are not able to capitalize. Okay, after the strip we can capitalize. Okay, dot capitalize. So first it will remove all the space between, before we have that first letter, then we capitalize the first letter. Okay, like this, so we can use the like different methods, means inbuilt functions which are there in a text. Okay, few of them we have been learned now. Whenever it is a used case comes, we will learn about in detail other things which can be used in a strip. Major thing we have been covered.